So we are here, guys, at Bright Angel Campgrounds, and there are a total of 33 camping spots. If you guys are 7 people to 11 people, which is considered a bigger group, then you will have to stay in number 32 and 33 as you see it here. Those are for group sites, and then the other numbers is like different sizes, and we will go through all the camping spots, first come first serve. So I highly recommend you to come here the earliest that you can. That way you can get a bigger camping spot if you guys are like a bigger group, like maybe 5-6 people in the group. As you see, the campgrounds are either on the right or on the left, like following the river. I noticed that the ones on the left are the smallest campgrounds. So from 1 to 10 are the campsites like along the river, and the other campsites from 11 to 33 is along this like rock right here on the right side. Okay, so let's show you number 1. As you see it here, there is a bridge, and then right away is the number 1 right here, which is pretty small. I will say you can accommodate 2 to 3 tents. It's number 1 over there. Now let's go to number 2, which is going to be that one over there. So as you see it, guys, this is number 2, and you can easily get 3 tents here. Number 3 is next to it. This is number 3, and here also I will say you can do like 2 to 3 tents, but as you see there are more rocks, so just keep that in consideration. Let's do number 4 now. This one is going to be number 4. This one is around 2 to 3 tents. Looks like all the campsites has a table, which is nice, and those like boxes so you can leave your food there. This is number 5. Also around 2 to 3 tents. Looks like the ones along the river are the smallest campsites. So this is going to be number 6. This one is missing the cover on this, but it's number 6. Okay, this one I will say around 2 to 3 tents, depending if you move the table like closer to the edge over there. Now let's go to number 7. This is number 7. Pretty much the same setup as the other ones from 1 to 6. This is number 8. Just to give you an idea, this one is a little bit bigger, but it's less whiter. So also I will say 2 to 3 tents over there. And now let's go to number 9. This is number 9. Pretty small side too. And if you see, they have those posts that you can kind of put your backpacks on there, so you don't have to leave your backpacks on the floor, which is nice. Now let's do the last one along the river, which is going to be number 10. So this is number 10, just missing the cover. Well, there it is, number 10. And this one is pretty small too. Around 2 to 3 tents, very comfortable 2 tents from 1 to 10, but possible 3 tents, okay guys? And now let's do 11 to 33. So I have to hike back to the sign and then I will show you 11 to 33. I'm back to the sign, and as you see it guys, here is number 11. So we're gonna go along this side and then we're gonna go all the way to 33. And as you notice, right in the middle there is a restroom. Those are flush toilets, which are nice. They do have water too. And let's show you number 11 first, okay? So this is number 11. It's bigger definitely than the other 1 to 10. You can easily put here 3 very comfortable, possible 4 people, 4 tents. And let's go to number 12 now. So this is number 12. Number 12 is pretty small. I will say also 2 to 3 tents. Now, this is an area that is closed, but looks like it was a campsite before. Let's keep moving. And this is number 14. So number 13 is shoot down, guys. And this is 14. And as you see, this one is pretty nice too. It has like a piece of wood over there that you can kind of lift your backpack, and there is way more space here. I will say easily for 4 tents. So far this is one of the biggest one, number 14. But I know bigger ones are coming soon. So now we're gonna go to number 15. You can see already 2 tents over there. Also number 15 is pretty big. As you see, there are 2 tents and you still have plenty of space on the right to easily get like 3 more tents. So number 15 is pretty good. And now number 16. Number 16 is a decent size too, easily for 4 to 5 tents. But it's very close to the other campsites though. Now let's check out the number 17. This is number 17 and pretty good size too. 4 to 5 tents easily here. Now let's go to number 18. Number 18 is pretty small. This one can be just for like 1 bigger tent, as you guys see it there, or possible 2 tents. It's number 18. And now let's go to number 19. So this is number 19. Number 19 is a pretty small space too. There's just 1 tent over there. Possible you can do 2 tents. Let's keep moving to number 20. So number 20 is right next to the number 19, as you see it. And it's pretty small too. You can do like, I will say 2 tents over there. Let me show you a little bit closer. So easily 1 here and 1 over there. There is the side number, just to show you, number 20. Now number 21 is behind the number 20, so let's go check it out. Hello. So there is like a small like trail here that connects to number 20, and then number 21 is next to it. So just keep in mind that number 20 and 21 is super close to each other, but number 21 is pretty nice. I like how they have like that rock division there, that you can easily put 1 there, 2, 3 tents, possible 1 more here. So that's number 21. Let's go to number 22. Number 22 is going to be really close to drinking water and also close to the restroom. Actually, it's next to the restroom. And number 22, as you see it, guys, let's go around. It's pretty decent size. It's pretty decent size. one of an advantage is like you're gonna have water here. Number 22. I like it here too. 110 here. Easily 3 10s here and one more 10 over there. It's number 22. Now let's go to number 23. There is the restroom, guys. So as you see it, and the right is gonna be for men. This one is gonna be for women. They have flush toilets. So let's check out the men's restroom. Men's restroom has 2 sinks, and you do have soap and 2 toilets, which is really nice. This is number 23. What I like of number 23 is that it's spacious and you don't have like neighbors like right next to you. So you do have the restrooms like in a few steps away, which is nice. And as you see it, guys, here easily you can put like 5 tents here. So like 1 or 2 over there, 3, 4, 5 very comfortable, possible 6 tents. Now let's move to number 24. So this is going to be number 24. But I also like from 23 that is kind of away from number 24 and not too far from the restrooms. So number 24, I will say like 3 to 4 tanks too, very nice. Now let's go to number 25. This is number 25 and also connects right away on your left to number 26. So number 25 is like 2 to 3 tents too. Pretty flat there, and number 26 is pretty big. I do like number 26. As you see, you have like plenty of space here, easily for 5 to 6 tents with not a problem. Hello, buddy. Look at this, guys. It's pretty big here. And now let's go to number 27. So this is number 27. It's a little bit more shade here because of the rocks, but also looks bigger. So number 26, 27, so far they are pretty big. There is more like rocks here, but it's a pretty decent size, which I like. Easily 5 tents right here, guys. And now let's move to number 28. Right there. This one is pretty decent size too. It's number 28. And then, guys, number 29 is right behind 28. Also we have a drinking water, which is nice. There's my friend Johnny. He already set up his tent. Looks nice, chairs. And I'm going to set up my tent over there. Somebody else can set up the tent over here. So this one is easily for 6 tents. Now let's go check out the number 30. So let's go check out number 30. Number 30 is right on the right side. Hello. So this is number 30, guys. What is the sign for the number 30? I don't see the sign, but there's a lot of loose rocks here. I will say like 2 to 3 tents, but what I don't like here is like it's so many rocks compared to the other spot sites. Let's check it out. I think I came from the wrong way. This way I can show you the number. There it is, number 30. So a lot of rocks. And this is number 31. I like number 31 too. It's more rocks, but it's pretty big. You can easily have 5 to 6 tents right here. So now let's move to number 32 and 33, which is going to be the bigger group size. Okay, remember it's 7 to 11 people for the group size. Hello. So this is number 32, guys, and as you see, they have like a roof view, which is really nice, a table over there, and you can easily have over 8 or 9 tents right here. Right now, as you see, there are 4 tents. The backpacks are over there, but you have plenty of space. So if you're planning to come with a big group, number 32 and 33 will be the best. It's like luxury here with that roof, and that's the only one that has a roof. Okay, so if you get that spot, then it's winning the lottery. Number 33 is also for 7 to 11 people, guys, and as you see here, they do have like a big post there to put your backpacks and plenty of space, 9 to 11 tents easily. So just wanted to show you guys how this campground looks. So when you come here, you can plan ahead, and maybe this video can help you to decide which campsite to pick. I will personally like the number 29 where we are staying because of the space and because we are like behind all the other spots.